You have to fight to reach your dream. You have to sacrifice and work hard for it. You can overcome anything, if and only if you love something enough. If I wasn't paid to be a professional footballer, I would willingly play for nothing. The best decisions aren't made with your mind, but with your instinct. Money is not a motivating factor. My motivation comes from playing the game I love. The objective is to win with all the team. Personal records are secondary. Being a bit famous now gives me the opportunity to help people who really need it, especially children. I start early and I stay late, day after day, year after year. It took me 17 years and 114 days to become an overnight success. I have no intention of comparing myself with Maradona. I want to make my own history for something I have achieved. Barcelona gave me everything. They took a chance on me when nobody else would. I never have any desire to play for anybody else. I will be here for as long as they want me. Every year I try to grow as a player and not get stuck in a rut. I try to improve my game in every way possible. My ambition is always to get better and better. Something deep in my character allows me to take the hits and get on with trying to win. I used to serve tea at a shop to support my football training. I don't need the best hairstyle or the best body. Just give me a ball at my feet and I'll show you what I can do. What I do is play football, which is what I like. Little by little, I'm getting better all the time. I've not lost the passion to play. I made sacrifices by leaving Argentina, leaving my family to start a new life. I changed my friends, my people, everything. But everything I did for football, to achieve my dream. I'm always proudest whenever I've been part of a trophy-winning team. Lifting a title makes me feel so happy because it's what I want to do in football, be successful. This is why I didn't go out to parties and many other things. I am successful because I made sacrifices for success. For my part, I try to do my bit to make people's lives more bearable, in particular children across the globe who are having problems. Barcelona is my life. They have brought me to where I am today. I could not leave. I don't want to leave. My heart stays with Barcelona. I am more worried about being a good person than being the best football player in the world. I think my desire to always get better, to always want more, to always be my top critic, and accepting the good and the bad.